Oh, Scott, you got to go. You gotta go.
To where?
To her. You have to go to her.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, him.
Scott.
I'm gonna kick your ass.
Oh, look, they're kissing in the rain.
You never get this moment again. Okay, y'all get out of the rain.
Hey, Scott, do you know that you can bring her back?
Hey, get out of the rain. Hello.
It makes for good TV.
Whatever. Get out of the rain.
You know, Dawson's Creek, I think they like played in the rain all the time. And they did it for like, what, 10 years?
Hey, get out of the rain.
I love you too, but damn. Jessica.
Jessica and Scott. Hello.
Got a shot of the rain, like, on the lake. Look at that.
Jessica.
Like, don't act like I don't know. I don't act like I don't know.
Oh my God.
Come here. Come here.
You're gonna kick her ass.
Come this way.
No, I'm not coming. I'm not.
Why?
Because we're in the rain. We're supposed to be here.
Oh my God. Yeah, it's like, it's pouring. And there she is. Hugging the light post, but there it is. It's like monsoon shit.
You'd think Mary used to go out there.
Fuck you. That's just like a sister-in-law. Who gives a shit?
It's the best, but you don't understand.
No, you don't understand.
Exactly.
That 3 of the 4, oh my God, get out of the street! Jessica, you'll go to jail. Get out of the street.
Garrett.
Hey, they might have money.
Come here.
I'm okay.
She's okay. Leave her alone. She's okay.
I'm okay.
Yo, Jessica, get the cab!
Get the cab. Get the cab. Oh, you suck.
Jessica!
Jessica, if you see a cab, flag it.
I'm okay.
I know, but we need a cab.
I'm okay.
Oh. Scott.
What's good?
What the fuck?
That's your girl.
No, that's your girl. That's your girl.
I just live with her.
That's how bad it's still raining. And that's her. That's a cop! Jessica!
Aren't you cold?
Jessica! Get out of the road! There's a cop!
Cause he's asking you to!
Jessica! Get out of the road!
He was just smiling.
And him was just fucking with her.
I know. He just wanted to make his point.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm here.
Dude!
Scott. Jessica!
You know he's gonna come back. If she's still out there, he's gonna take her. Everybody's running from the rain, and Jessica, get out of the road!
Hey, Jessica.
Hey,
Jessica, it's not funny anymore. There's a fucking cab. You're missing them. And like, if you're out there, at least like flag them. He made a left. She's gonna be so embarrassed by this tomorrow. It's not even funny right now. It'll be hilarious tomorrow. Watch your car!
You got hooked at.
Not in a good way. Oh my god. That's the same dude, isn't it? It's not funny anymore. You got people circling. It's not funny. It's not funny anymore. Love you, but it's not funny. And I'm going to show you the shit tomorrow. I know you love the rain. And it's like therapeutic or something. I don't know. But it's fucking cold.
It is fucking cold.
I'm like, look, the rain. Flag a cab. Make yourself useful. God. But don't get hit. A side cab. You know what? Just wave your arms and somebody will stop. Apparently, we've already had a drive-by like once. Some dude is checking you out.
With lights on top. That aren't cops.
Look, this is what normal people do in the rain. They like run. See how they run, and Jessica like stares at them. I mean, it's like pouring. See the rain?
Oh my
Rain.
God, it is. What's she doing now? What's that?
Jessica!
What's that mean?
That's not a cab.
They were scared.
Hey, Scott, we really should look out for the cop, though. Because if he comes back,
What do you want me to do?
I want you to come over here and just be normal.
Do what I do, but
Look, that's what normal people do. Run from the rain. Run from the rain.
It's not hard to get people to stop when you stand in the middle of the road. It's not a special
That's
challenge.
what people do. Run. People run from the rain.
Stop.
Yeah, people are scared to hit
people wouldn't
pedestrians.
stop for me. I am in the middle of the road. Like, you don't want to stop.
This right here is like priceless. This is like when she becomes famous, if ever. Then this is like, you
Jessica,
know,
that's a cop again.
Jessica, back off. Same cop.
I don't understand.
It doesn't matter. You don't have to. Come here. Jessica, come here. You don't have to understand. Just listen.
Come here.
Come here. Come here. You're gonna go to jail.
Where you gotta just
Jessica, you will.
cab.
Jessica, you will go to jail.
The regular people aren't gonna give you a ride. The regular citizens, they gotta be paid.
Jessica, please.
Paid to do that service.
Jessica, please come here because that cop went in the parking deck. It comes out right there. He will be back. And that will be his third time and you will go to jail.
I know you're recording. I realize that.
Yeah.
I'm not stupid.
I know you're not stupid, but listen.
I know.
You're fucking soaked. But you can't be out there. You can't be out there when the cop comes by the third time.
Oh yeah.
That's why you're hiding, and that's why I'm hiding. I know, I'm not down with...
You're not. See, that's what normal. Jessica, the cop will be back. Come here.
I don't really care.
Okay. It's slow down. We're out of here, guys.
All right,
Okay,
bye.
bye.
Enjoy. We got the cops tied up. Don't worry. We got the cops tied up. Are you cold?
This is our place now.
Are you cold? Yeah, you're cold? I wonder why.
I'm really cold.
Jessica, come in here and get dry then.
There is no getting dry. It's just like,
Like,
okay.
I'm not...